Have you ever wondered how your brain controls your emotions, decisions, and even the way you react to stress? What if I told you that your brain and body are constantly working together in ways you might not even realize? Welcome to the fascinating world of biopsychology. Biopsychology, also known as physiological psychology or behavioral neuroscience, is the study of how the brain and nervous system influence behavior, thoughts, and emotions. It's a field that combines biology and psychology to help us understand the underlying mechanisms of human behavior. Today we're going to explore the essential aspects of biopsychology, including how our nervous system works, the role of neurotransmitters, and how brain structures impact our daily lives. Make sure to stay till the end because we'll also discuss how understanding biopsychology can improve your mental and physical well-being. What is biopsychology? Biopsychology focuses on the interaction between biological processes and psychological experiences. It looks at how the brain, neurotransmitters, hormones, and genetics shape who we are. Essentially, it bridges the gap between biology and psychology, giving us a deeper understanding of what makes us think, feel, and behave the way we do. The nervous system and its role in behavior. The nervous system is our body's command center, responsible for everything from movement to memory. It consists of two main parts: the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, processing and transmitting information; the peripheral nervous system, which connects the CNS to the rest of the body, including muscles and organs. The role of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate. Some of the most important ones include dopamine, associated with pleasure and reward, motivation and motor control; serotonin, influences mood, sleep, and appetite; acetylcholine, plays a crucial role in learning, memory, and muscle activation; endorphins, known as natural painkillers, they help us feel pleasure and reduce stress. Understanding how these chemicals work can help us recognize how imbalances may contribute to mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Brain structures and their functions. Different brain regions are responsible for various cognitive and emotional functions. Here are some key structures. The cerebral cortex, the outer layer of the brain responsible for higher-order thinking, decision-making, and sensory perception. The limbic system, a group of structures, including the amygdala and hippocampus, that regulate emotions, memory, and motivation. The brainstem controls essential functions like breathing, heart rate, and sleep cycles. The cerebellum plays a role in movement coordination and balance. By understanding these structures, we can better grasp how injuries or disorders in these areas affect behavior and mental processes. How biopsychology affects daily life. Biopsychology helps explain everyday experiences, such as why we feel emotions, how we form habits, and even why we dream. It also plays a key role in understanding mental health, addiction, and neurological disorders. For example, research in biopsychology has led to the development of medications and therapies for conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. Let's do a quick experiment. Take a deep breath and notice how your body reacts. Your parasympathetic nervous system is at work, calming you down. Now, imagine you're in a stressful situation, maybe a big exam or an important interview. Your sympathetic nervous system kicks in, increasing your heart rate and making you more alert. This is your body's fight or flight response in action. Have you ever noticed how your body reacts to different situations? Let me know in the comments. Why biopsychology matters. Understanding biopsychology can empower us to take control of our mental and physical health. By learning how our brain and body interact, we can make better decisions about our lifestyle, stress management, and even how we interact with others. Biopsychology is a fascinating field that helps us understand the connection between our mind and body. Whether you're interested in psychology, neuroscience, or just curious about human behavior, this field offers valuable insights that can improve your daily life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let me know in the comments what aspect of biopsychology you find the most interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.